Is your smoke alarm constantly going off for no apparent reason? The most common culprits are dust and steam. Dust accumulates inside the alarm, mimicking smoke particles. Steam from showers or cooking also triggers the sensors. To fix this, first, vacuum your smoke alarm monthly using a soft brush attachment. This removes accumulated dust. Second, relocate your alarms away from kitchens and bathrooms, ideally more than 10 feet away. If steam is a persistent issue, consider installing steam-resistant models that incorporate humidity sensors to differentiate between steam and actual smoke. Regular cleaning and strategic placement significantly reduce false alarms. Another frequent cause of alarms is a low battery. A chirping sound every 30 to 60 seconds indicates it's time for a replacement. Test your alarm batteries quarterly by pressing the test button and replace them every 6 months, even if they seem fine. Use high-quality alkaline batteries for optimal performance. Avoid rechargeable batteries, as they can fail unpredictably. Lastly, be mindful of the hush feature, which temporarily silences the alarm for minor irritants like burnt toast. Only use it when you know there's no real fire. Avoid repeatedly pressing the hush button, as this can desensitize the sensor. If problems persist, consult your alarm's manual or the manufacturer's app for specific troubleshooting steps.